Before 1958, the only few seatbelts available were only two-point lap belts, like this. In high-speed crash, this often caused internal injuries rather than preventing them, and it also took the lives of a relative of Volvo CEO. After the tragedy, the corporation sought an innovator, and they found him. His name was Niels Bohlin. He was born in Härnösand, Sweden in 1920, and he was no stranger to safety in motion, since he was previously a safety engineer who designed ejector seats for fighter jets, and Volvo hired him as their first chief safety engineer. And he understood that the elaborate four-point harnesses used in airplane would not work for the average driver. So he devised a new design, a belt that was easy to use but could effectively protect a person's body from the brutal forces of a car crash swift deceleration. And within a year, in 1959, Bolin introduced his invention, the three-point lap seatbelt. And the genius lay in its simplicity and its geometry. Unlike the old lap belt, the new design secured the both upper and lower body. The straps met at the hip and buckled into a single immovable anchorage point. This meant the crash force was distributed across the stronger, bony parts of the body. For example, the shoulder and the pelvis. And luckily, in a remarkable move driven by pure safety concern, Volvo decided to release the patent for the three-point core seatbelt to other car manufacturers for free. And this decision cemented its place as one of the most important innovations in auto safety history. And the US government later required the belts on all new vehicles starting in 1968. And by the time of Niels Bohlin's death in 2012, Volvo estimated that his invention had saved more than 1 million lives across the globe. And that's it for the video today. Thank you for watching.